MAGISNAT Group has proven to be the first company in the world to focus its researches and products on natural molecules derived from typical plants of the Mediterranean diet. MAGISNAT was founded 15 years ago on the shores of Lake Garda, thanks to the will and commitment of Dr. Matteo Bertelli. MAGISNAT Group deems essential to spread a healthy lifestyle, such as the Mediterranean one, for the benefit of the whole community. MAGISNAT's laboratory conducts research in the field of nutrition, in collaboration with prestigious universities in Italy, the United States, and Europe. It is composed of biologists, biotechnologists, chemists, and physicians who conduct multidisciplinary research on eating disorders, as well as obesity, lipedema, and lymphedema, and on the beneficial effects of natural molecules from the foods of the Mediterranean diet. MAGISNAT Group's goal is to promote the Mediterranean diet in association with healthy lifestyles, making the beneficial substances contained in Mediterranean foods available everywhere, with the goal of increasing the overall well-being of that part of the populations that is most prone to high-calorie, unbalanced diets. To further develop research on molecules associated with a healthy diet and lifestyle to promote health.